What's at the heart of Coaches for You? What does it really stand for? And what does it mean to be a CFY volunteer coach? Listen to our own coaches as they share straight from their heart.
As many are trying to navigate these hard and uncertain times, we are seeing people recover their confidence, try to make decisions which seem hard, but it helps having small action that helps them move forward and generate momentum. And then also refocus and see things in new light, and having that additional perspective has been quite helpful.
Coaches for You is a symbolic of the collective conscience of hundreds of coaches who've come together in these pandemic times to ensure that humanity and generosity triumphs over fear and anxiety during these times. For me personally, Coaches for You is like living my life's purpose on a daily basis to ensure that I could make some difference to humanity at large and ensure that people grow through these times and not just go through them.
I believe one of the highest goods that one can do is to give back to the society without expecting anything in return. Yes, this is what it means for me to be a part of this fantastic initiative.
Giving back to society has been close to me. Coaches for You is a good platform to create that difference. It is rewarding to see the value my coachees get through my session.
Through participation in the pro bono coaching, one sense of contribution is the joy of making coaching available to all those who are curious about what coaching can do to them in their personal and professional lives. And it is powerful.
CFY Pro Bono Coaching has made a huge difference during the current pandemic times. It has fostered powerful shifts in self-awareness of the clients, increased levels of their confidence, not only given direction but also improved their attitude and behavior, and above all, unleashed and helped them to realize their potential.
Being a CFY volunteer coach is absolutely the best thing that's happened to me in the last 6 months. It's opened my eyes to the power of coaching as a force of good and this beautiful community that has grown and continues to grow.
As an ICF certified coach, CFY offers me the unparalleled opportunity to work with real coaches and clients who are going through stress during these times and help me to give back to society.
Being a pro bono volunteer coach with CFI has meant the world to me. It has not only allowed me the opportunity to be part of a group of like-minded coaches and share their wealth of experiences, but most importantly, has allowed me to be in service to the community during these challenging times and introduce to them the magic of coaching.
Being a pro bono coach at CFI means the world to me. It gives me an opportunity to serve my community, and I'm absolutely loving it. Every bit of it.
As a pro bono volunteer coach with CFI, I feel immense gratitude in having had this opportunity to partner with those in need in the community. I feel a sense of solidarity with one another and a personal sense of giving, a feeling of sharing and inspiring others to do the same.
I think CFY is an amazing platform in times like this, in the pandemic, to make a strong positive difference for all the coaches to reconnect for a common purpose, a common goal, which is to make lives better for so many others, and in the process make it better for their own selves.
Coaches for You has a unique way of being of service to the community by offering free coaching to anyone who is in need. And I think that's a phenomenal service during these times.
Gives me a sense of fulfillment and gratification by being able to do a little bit that I can do for myself. It also helps me be more compassionate and kind, given the unprecedented times that we're all living in.
I'm proud to be part of CFI. This platform has given me opportunity to coach those who are in need of coaching. I feel connected to other coaches and to the community. It's been very self-satisfying.
Being a coach in COVID-19 times is not easy. I am so happy to have CFY Pro Bono Coaching, who not only helps us with the gift of a new client, but is also a wonderful support group where we can ask and answer all our questions without any fear.
Being a pro bono coach at Coaches for You has completely enriched me as a coach in this learning journey. It's a platform where magic happens, where you learn, you grow, you share, you raise your levels of awareness, and it's completely a platform where you give without expecting in return.
I've been connecting the CFY clients with the coaches for the past 6 months. It gives me such a wonderful feeling of having done that little bit towards 550 connections plus, many of which have translated into beautiful coaching conversations.
For me personally, Coaches for You is like living my life's purpose on a daily basis to ensure that I could make some difference to humanity at large and ensure that people grow through these times and not just go through them.
I love what CFY has been doing during these COVID times.
I feel blessed.
Thank you, Coaches for You, for enabling me to make that little difference.
So I'm really grateful I get to be a part of this platform.
Thank you, Coaches for You, and I wish to be a part of this as long as I can.
Thank you.
I feel extremely privileged to be part of a team of such coaches in this noble cause.
Thank you, CFI, for giving this to me. Thank you.
Thank you.
All the best to CFY.
More power to you, Coaches for You. Onwards and upwards.